So guys, this is how my day's going. Besides the fact that it's my birthday, I'm in a loss. It's beautiful though, still alive. I'm in a beautiful loss, guys, on USD CAD. I don't want this broker to think that we're here to play. I'm here to milk. So guys, this is how my day is going. Yesterday I was in a crazy loss on USD CAD, but I decided to hold it. And guess what? We're now in a crazy profit. Look at this. The crazy part is that ever since we started this account, we haven't taken any loss. These are the trades for today, the ones that I closed already. I'm still gonna close 70% of the trades that I took on USD CAD. Maybe 80% of the trades I'm gonna close. Then I'll probably take new trades. Then I'll let you guys know what I'm trading today. It's the one only. You didn't know where. Now you tell.
Three, two.